Today I'm going to tell about a very new aspect which is called reverse method in Python list, right? So what is that? Let's see. The reverse method is used to reverse the order of elements in Python list, right? It modifies the original list, not create the new list, right? So there are 4 points you have to keep in mind, right? If you understand the reverse method in Python list, right? It works only with the list, right? You cannot use in tuple, dictionary, set, right, etc. It reverses the order of all elements, right? It means that if you have 1 to 3, it will reverse into 3 to 1, right? It modifies the origin list, not create the new list, right? It does not return a new list, right? Always modify the list, right? These 4 points you have to keep in mind, right? So there are 4 main methods of what Python list, right? So first one is reverse method we will discuss today, and second one is slicing function, and third one is for loop, and fourth one is reverse function, right? So today I'm going to talk about the reverse method, right? 3 we will discuss in the next lecture, right? So this is the syntax about the reverse method. List name, then after we will use the dot operator, then after we will write the keyword reverse, right, and give the parentheses, right? So now we have example of code example number 1, right? We have a list of numbers in which we have stored 5 numbers, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Now I'm going to print the first list. So this is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Now I'm going to reverse that list, right? Then I will write the name of list, right? Then after we will use the reverse keyword, right? Now I will print the output on the screen, right? After reverse, right? Now I will run this program and you will get what? This is the output, right? Before reverse 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and after reverse you will see that 50 comes first, and then after we will have a what? 40, 30, 20, 10, right? In the next example, this is the real life example, right? Notifications are login successful, profile updated, password change, and payment received, right? Now I'm going to now I'm going to print that output. So this is the before reverse, right? Now I'm going to reverse that output. Notifications, and I will give the parenthesis, right? Now I will print now after notifications, right? Now first one is what we call, now I will run this program. So this is the first output, right, before reverse. Now I'm going to reverse that list. I will run this program. Sorry. So this is the output, right? Payment received, password changed, profile updated, and login success, right? In the last we have a beginner's common mistake, right? example which beginners make mistake, right? So this is the numbers is equal to, we have a list with 4 elements, right? And we are going to create new what variable in which we are going to store that list, right? It means that we are going to create new list, but reverse method doesn't create new list, it modify the list, right? If we will run this program, you will get none, right? This is the out, right? So this is all about the reverse method in Python list, right? In the next video we will talk about the slicing, for loop, and reversed function, right, in Python list. Thank you. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.